Now let's discuss about the Python operators. So Python operator are special symbol or keyword that perform operation on variable and values. For taking example, so we have a multiple operators in a Python. The first one is the arithmetic operators. Like suppose you had to do a addition, then what you will use? You will use a plus symbol, right? So this is nothing but a one operators. If you had to subtract, then you will use a minus. If you had to multiply, then you will use a star. If you have to do a division, then you will use a this symbol. So these are nothing but these are the operators we have. Similarly, if you have to compare like whether a is equal to b, a is not equal to b, so for that also we have a multiple operators are there, multiple symbols are there. Similarly, we have a logical operator like and or. So these are the logical operators. Similarly, we have assignment operators. So these are the thing we are going to discuss. Let's discuss the first one is the arithmetic operator. So suppose you had to do 5 plus 3. So we are getting a 8, right? So this is the addition. Similarly, if you had to do subtraction, then you can use 5 minus 3. If you had to multiply, then what actually you can use? You can use a symbol 5 into 3 if you will do. And if you will execute, you can see we are getting a 15. Now suppose you had to do a division. Then what actually you can write? You can write a division and it will do a division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is simple, right? The next one is the floor division. Now suppose if you are writing like this, then what is the output? You can see 3 1 is 3, right? So 1 is the output. Similarly, if you want to know the modulus, like if you want to find out the modulus or the remainder, how actually you can do 5 modulus 3, and if you will execute, you can see 2 is the remainder. Exponential, how actually you can find out 5 star star 3, you can see 5 cube ja 125, so 125. So like that actually we can perform a arithmetic operation. So this addition, subtraction, multiplication, these are the symbol generally helps, these are the operators generally help to perform a arithmetic operation. Now let's discuss about the second one, that is a comparison operator. Now suppose you want to find out whether 5 is equal to the 3 or not. 5 is equal to 3 or not. If I'll execute, I will get the false because 5 is not equal to the 3, right? Now if I write 5 is not equal to the 3, 5 is not equal to the 3, you can see it is a true, right? Now if you want to know 5 is greater than 3 or not, 5 is not greater than 3, right? Yeah, 5 is greater than 3, right? So we are getting a true. Now if you have to find out the less than 5 is less than 3, then you can see we are getting output false. Like that we have a few relational operators. So these are the very simple, but you should know these are the symbol and these are the operator is available which we can use. This will improve your productivity. Now after that we have a logical operator. Suppose I am writing true and if I'll execute, you can see we are getting a false. So like that we have a multiple logical operator, like you can use and, you can use a or condition. Similarly, if I'll find a true or false, either true or false, right, it will be a true. So like that the logical operators are there. Now after that we have a assignment operator, and this is an important one. Now suppose you are writing x equal to the x plus 3. So instead of writing the whole thing x equal to the x plus 3, you can write like this also, x plus equal to the 3. This both are same. Instead of writing x equal to the x plus 3, you can write x plus equal to the 3. This both meaning will be same. If you had to subtract, so instead of writing x equal to the x minus 3, what actually you can write x minus equal to the 3. Both will be the same. Similarly, if you had to multiply, suppose you are writing like x equal to the x into 3, x into 3. Instead of writing this, what actually you can write x equal to the 3. Both will be the same. So like that the multiple assignment operators are there, and this actually you can use that. Similarly for division, slash equal to, if you write, the this will be the same. And last is the membership operator. You are checking a in apple, whether a is present in apple or not. So if I'll execute this, you can see a is present in apple, right? So that means it is a true. So like that, like this also you can use a. Suppose you are writing a not in apple. If I'll execute this, you are getting false because a is available in apple. So in and not in, this also operator. So that also we can use that. So for arithmetic operation and this assignment operators are important. So to use it will improve your productivity. I hope you got the idea.